Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate Show. Jay here with you guys today presenting the climatic forecast of the top 5 cryptocurrencies during the last 24 hours. Let's immediately start with Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at $23,762. Number 2 in the world, we have Ethereum at $1,559, down 1.08%. And Bitcoin is actually up in the last 24 hours, whopping 0.89%. Then number 3 in the world, we have BNB, currently at $265.76, down 2.94% in the last 24 hours. Then we have at number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at 0.36 cents, and it's actually down in the last 24 hours, whopping 0.54%. And then number 5, to round it off, we have Cardano, ADA, solid project, currently at 50 cents, half a dollar, and it's down 0.32% in the last 24 hours. And again, guys, this is just in the last 24 hours, but you know, for the past week, the market has had a brief pump, excuse me. And then we actually see here that, for example, Cardano's up 20%, XRP 16, BNB 18, Ethereum is up 43% in the last 7 days, and Bitcoin is up 20% in a week. Just to round that section off, I just wanted to make sure that you guys, kept that in mind. Then we move to the, top 5 best performing assets in the last 24 hours. We have Lido DAO, currently at $1.62, up essentially 5% in the last 24 hours. Then number 2, we have Monero XMR, currently at $152 and is up 4.40%. Then we have number 3, Amplify Your Life, currently at just under a penny, and it's up 3.40%. Then number 4, we have Dogecoin, and it's currently at around estimated 7 cents, and it's up 2.95%, about 3% in the last 24 hours. And then we have Litecoin, currently at a rounded out number of $60 per coin, and it's currently up 2.94% in the last 24 hours. Again, just briefly checking the weekly, in the last 7 days, Lido DAO is up 88%. That's a lot. Monero up 24, almost 25%. AMP is around 14-15%. Dogecoin is rounding off, at 18%. And then Litecoin, we have 23.78% up in the last 7 days. That's good to know. Then we go ahead to the top 5 worst performing assets in the last 24 hours. We start with Arweave, AR, currently at $14.55, down 9.41% in the last 24 hours. Then we have Matic, excellent project, currently at 0.85 cents, down 8.75 cents in the last 24 hours. Then we have Elrond, EGLD, currently at $58.34, down 6.04%. Then we have Nexo at number 4, currently at 0.71 cents. It's down 6%. And then we have Quant. Quantify Your Life, QNT, currently at $104.82, down 5.77 cents in the last 24 hours to round that off. Just weekly, on a weekly basis for the past 7 days, just briefly, let's touch on that. Arweave is still up 18% though, so keep that in mind. Matic is up almost 50%. Large move. Then we have Elrond at 14.14%, Nexo at around 20%, 21%, and then Quant, same thing, around 21%, for the past 7 days. That's good to keep in mind. Now let's go ahead and just attack the charts real quick. We can actually see that, the Bitcoin price, we actually made a short. If you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you guys do so. Where we were talking about this area right here, Bitcoin was at a key pivotal area, on the weekly, the same thing. Key resistance level. Again, we breached it, and now we actually have a move towards, the upside now. Probability wise, what do I expect? The same deal. Like I said in the short, 26,500 give or take is our estimated, price target. But of course it could come back down here and then actually make the move, or it could just make it straight, or it might break the support and come back down here. With Bitcoin, you never know, right? But it's all about probabilities. But that's what we're currently, watching for on the daily chart. Same deal with the weekly, as we briefly mentioned. Let me actually just remove these. Let's go to the weekly chart. Let's take a look here, right here. Same thing, nice and clean. Due to this candle, there's not much support and resistance line. You know, this was the range that we've been trading for the past month. Now we broke it, so we expect again upside target 26,500. Then if we exceed this and break this resistance level, then we expect, you know, that key 28,500, 700 level around there. And then if that breaks, then, you know, the next resistance is $31,700. So let's actually go to the Bitcoin dominance. We see that we might have bottomed here, a local bottom. We have to wait and see, but now, you know, we came back above a key, you know, support level when coming down, but it became resistance once we broke it down. But now we've broken up, you know, briefly locally to the upside. We got to wait and see if Bitcoin stays dominant or not, you know, with regards to the, you know, altcoins. So again, this is the next key level that we're watching, 43, essentially 44% Bitcoin dominance, you know, for the short term. Again, if we break that, then the next key level would be around, you know, that same 44.25% area. Then after that, you know, we would be up here in this range, and the next resistance would be again this local high at 48.32%. You know, if this doesn't hold and we break down, then our downside target for the Bitcoin dominance would be around 41.43%, which is, you know, a key support level, as we can see back here. The DXY, the dollar index, we see that you know, we made a short as well in the past, where we explained that this was a key level, or it was one of our previous crypto climate videos. You know, this would be a key level right here, and we broke it, as we said that it might have been probable if we close a candle above. So again, we broke it. It seems like we have a local high. Then, you know, we're correcting right now, so we're below this, you know, key well, it was support going down, but this key resistance level now that we've broken down. And if we can see here, we're trying to battle it again with this daily candle, so stay tuned. You know, that $107, I'm sorry, that 107 value that the dollar index has, you know, just it's key right now. If not, then we should continue to test the trend line around, you know, 104, 105, you know, and then if that breaks, then we're gonna, you know, have a lower trend line at around 100. So that'll be a key level, you know, to watch in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks. So keep that in mind, guys. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, click on the notification bell. But before we get to that, here's our actual website. You know, we have our social networks, tools and resources, how to, you know, get an exchange account. Here's where you get our trading view account. There's a lot to offer, so make sure you guys swing through there. Then we have our Twitter profile here. You guys can go follow as well. We would appreciate it. We have TikTok, you know, where we put our shorts, very informative. You guys could take a look here as well. Instagram, one of our main platforms, you know, make sure you guys follow. And then obviously our you know, main platform for educational videos, educational content, YouTube. Make sure you guys, you know, swing by, sub. You know, you can leave comments in the description down below. And again, if you enjoyed the content, we really appreciate it. Have a good one.